Hi, what's going on YouTube? I am Zishan Hormuz back with another hot crypto project. Today we are going to check Sussy Sharks. So project all related link you will get in the video description, so you can check all them one by one before start. A small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you guys the most trusted and reliable project. You should always do your own research before investing in any project, and if you're new to the channel, so please make sure you must be subscribed my channel for more interesting video, and also hit the bell icon. You won't miss any update from Zishan Hormuz. So let's get started recording Sussy Sharks. So right here you can see this is a big collection and huge collection NFT program. I want to give you complete detail about that in this video, but right here if we are scroll down a little bit, you can see right here they have also a whitelist. What is mean by whitelist? I want to click on that and I just want to open right here, but I want to tell this one at the end. But right now you can see this is a whitelist. This is a process. How can you participate in this, and how can you buy this one Sussy Sharks? So I want to give you a complete detail about that, but at the end. Right now they have also worked on different platforms. Right now you can see Instagram, Twitter and Telegram and Discord, and if you want to visit to that, so I will be give all the links in the description box. You must visit to that, because if we participate in any token, then we must follow their Twitter's account and also Telegram accounts, because they have give many time update there, so that's why we are joining this one platform, social IDs of this any project. So if you look to Sussy Sharks is a collection of 10,000 unique shark NFT on the Ethereum network. So this is basically they have I already mentioned you in thumbnail. You can see I mentioned that it is a huge NFTs. It is a huge NFT collection. So you can also right here you can see this is a 10,000 unique sharks NFT on the Ethereum network. Each shark is built up for over 80 plus different traits, including accessories and skins, eyes, clothing, hats, and more. So you will also be able to compete against other sharks in the Metaverse, and it will grant you access to exclusive events, giveaway, and more. So this is if you want to participate in that. After that they will be also give you a grant and you access to exclusive events and giveaways and more. So this is too much important. If you want, you must be participating in that. You won't miss this one chance. After that I want to give some detail about Bitcoin ATM Pros Inc, who want to do relation with the authorized by the financial crimes. So you can see Sussy Sharks, a project by Bitcoin ATM Pros Inc. We are authorized by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. So, and we strongly believe in the inclusivity and want to provide easy access to NFTs and crypto to as many individuals as possible. You can see this the enforcement is a brave of the United States Department of the Treasury. So we are anti-rock pool. So if you want to mint TBA means that if you want to participate in that, you will be, I want to give you simply some important tips about that. You just click on that. After that they will be directly you can access to this one page. After that you must be connect your MetaMask. But how can you connect your MetaMask? So if you have already extension on your Chrome, so that's a very good. But if you don't have any extension on your Chrome, so you must be search Chrome Web Store. After that you simply click on the Chrome Web Store and we just wait for that. After that right now you can simply write here MetaMask. So you must be right here MetaMask. You can see right here I just want to write MetaMask, and after that you simply click on that, and you can see here you just click on the add to Chrome. If you click on that, then they will be directly add to your Chrome, and right here you can directly find out from extension box. Right here you just click on that. After that there will be right here you must be sign up the MetaMask. After that you just click on the connect and you will be easy get a Sussy Sharks. So if you look to Sussy Shark cost is 0.08 Ethereum. So you can also see this is the price of Sussy Shark. And please make sure you are connected to the right network, Ethereum mainnet and the correct address. Please note, once you make the purchase you can undo this action. So it is too much important, because you know many people are do this mistake, because they also because you know the Sussy Sharks work on the Ethereum blockchain. So means that we must be use the Ethereum mainnet means that ERC-20. We don't be do any mistake in this, and we don't be buy this one on others platform or other blockchain. So they will be if you do this mistake, then you will be not able to they will be not able to refund your fund again. So please be careful for that. After that I just want to give some detail about unique sharks. You can see 10,000 unique sharks. Every shark is a unique digital net artwork that have been created from a mix of 80 plus different threads, minting a shark cost 0.01 Ethereum. I already told about that. Once all 10,000 sharks have been sold, no more Sussy Sharks will ever be created. We reserve 50 sharks for giveaway community member and the team. So right now you can see if you look to these 10,000 sharks, so if they are sold out, so that means they don't have any plan for more created for more sharks. So they don't want to create more sharks. So this is a final, and if they are sold out, so they have no any plan toward the other making NFTs. So you must be participating in that. If you are participating in that, after that they will be give you giveaways and also airdrops. It is just for community members and the teams. You must, if you buy this one Sussy Sharks, that means you are also the community member of the Sussy Sharks. So this is all about that. And after that I just want to go to the roadmap of the Sussy Sharks. You can see right here, join the GAG means that 10,000 digital crafted sharks will be released for mining, mint some sharks and wait for exclusive giveaway. So they just want to do sold out this one all 10,000 sharks. After that they will be not toward any planning for future, but they are also give a mainnet some shark and wait for exclusive giveaways. So exclusive giveaways, when 10% of the sharks are sold out, 10 lucky holder will get a free sharks, plus 5 lucky holder will win almost 1500 Ethereum each. So this is also too much important. You also be make a lucky winner, lucky holder in this platform. So if you want to, you must be participate in that. After that, if you look to donation right here, you can see when 25% of the sharks are sold, we will donate. You can see right here 1 million to a community selected charity and saving our ocean. So this is also too much better, because first of all, if you look to the phase 2 of question number 2, if they are when 10% of the shark are sold, so they just select 10 lucky holder and get a free sharks 5 plus and also 1500 Ethereum. And if you look to 25% of sharks sold, they will be almost donate almost 1 million to a community selected charity and saving our ocean. So Tesla giveaway, when 50% of sharks are sold, 2 lucky shark holder we will win Tesla Model S and Tesla Model 3 in a Sussy Shark co-op. So this is simply a Tesla Model S. This is a different type of sharks which will be a huge level in this platform. So you will also win this one sharks. So you can also right here you can see Bitcoin ATM warp. So when 60% of sharks are sold, we will be warped some of our Bitcoin ATMs with a Sussy Shark warp for more exposure. So after that I just want to go to directly special drop. So this is too much important because when 85% of sharks are sold, we will release exclusive match and exclusive Sussy baby shark NFT for all holder. So if the 85% sharks are sold out, that means that in that time they'll give some exclusive Sussy baby sharks NFT for all holder. So this is too much important for that. So right now release the sharks. When 100% of sharks are sold out, we will start developing our own Metaverse. Shark City holder will be able to join exclusive physically and virtually events, giveaway, and have a fun with play to earn games. So this is the end of these Sussy Sharks. And if you look to this one point is too much important because when 100% of sharks are sold out, then that time they want to go toward the Metaverse. So if they are want to go to the Metaverse, after that all holder will be able to join the exclusive physical and virtual events, giveaway, and have a fun with play to earn games. So in that time you simply play any game and you will be make money from them. And right here you can also check out complete detail about, you can see right here parity and traits. You can see skins, space cadets, and rarity. You can also study about that cloth and mouth, eyes, head, and accessories. And also you can study about the skin. You can see there's a different type of NFT. You also study about that. And if you check a good NFT, then that means you will be more able to win more giveaways. So you also think about that. So latest in news is you can see they also want to collection of NFT investing.com, Bitcoin. You can see Yahoo Finance and Asian ones. So they also want to do partnership with them. And after that, if you look to the main team of this project, you can see project manager is this one man and one Meta. And if you look to this RI, create artist, full-time sharks, Sussy Sharks are the creation of any fully hand drawing in the Procreate. So this is also you can see. And after that, if you look to LX marketing wizard, and you can see this is a complete team of this one project. So I want to go to the Twitter account because this is also too much important. You can see right now 13.6k followers of this project. And if you look to this, to celebrate our New York Times Square NFT billboards ads, and we also giving away to our NFT. What to do? Just you can follow this one Sussy Shark. After that you will be retweet and like a post. After 72 hours run time and redeem winner. Best of luck. So more giveaway are on our Discord. So you must be go to Discord. I already told about that. They will be give you more and more chances to earn the Sussy Sharks. So this is all about the Sussy Sharks. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. And if you want to free airdrops or free giveaways, then you must be follow my Telegram channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.